Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some hair trends. First up, we have a very popular layered bob haircut, or the butterfly bob as some might want to call it. And this is a hair trend that is really taking over social media. We're seeing tons of layers this season, and this layered bob is an absolutely gorgeous way to pull off two trends in one: the layered look as well as a classic bob style. This is a great option if you do have hair on the thinner side and you want to add in some volume to your look. And this one also features beautiful bangs in the front. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hair ideas within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we see another very popular combination of two styles in one. We're going to be seeing the bob haircut as well as curtain style bangs. This is a great way to also mix in some texture to your hair this season if you want to do something a little bit different from your boring traditional bob haircut. Beautiful, great way to frame the face, absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we see this beautiful asymmetrical pixie style. This one features a stacked back area, beautiful side swept bangs in the front. And it is asymmetrical because it is just a tad bit longer on one side than the other. Now this hairstyle is another great option to try if your hair is on the thinner side and you are looking to add in some more volume. So next up we have another pixie hair transformation. It looks like the stylist is doing another asymmetrical pixie cut, keeping things longer on one side versus the other. Beautiful stacked back area. Perfect for creating lots of volume and texture. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.